You read the title already, let's just get into the video. One of the best places I found to get free music for my videos is a site called Upbeat. I have a link to it in the description, so you can just click on that. It is an affiliate link, but you can sign up and create a completely free account. And once you do that, you should be taken to this playlist I made. I actually just created a playlist of a lot of the free music I found on Upbeat, which I think are great for YouTube videos, background music. There's cinematic stuff. There's just background beats. You know, you can explore this, but you can also just head over to the music section over here and explore through all their music, all their sound effects and stuff like that, and find something that you like. As long as it isn't marked with a premium thing, you'll see this like premium star. As long as it's not marked with that, you can actually download it with a free account. And all you have to do is once you find a song you like and it's not marked as premium, you just click the download button here and you're going to click free with accreditation. You're going to click download. And this is the unique accreditation that you need to put in your YouTube's video description, or if it's a different platform, just select whichever platform you're posting on. And you're going to select this or just click the copy button here. Maybe just save that to your notes for now. And then you're able to already download the song for me. And now I can safely use that in my videos and not get copyright claims. And if you ever want access to the full library of music, sound effects, stock video, LUTs, etc., their pricing is also really good, like $5 a month for music and sound effects, or $8 if you want the stock footage and LUTs. It's really good pricing if you do end up paying. If this helped you out, click that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next video.